This video for entertainment purposes only, no financial advice.
Hi there, I'm Kyle Maddox, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Bitcoin wallet address. I'm going to explain you how to do this on computer, so I'm already open the web browser and you can do the same and just type trust wallet. Now it's going to be the wallet we are going to use to create our Bitcoin wallet. I'm going to trustwallet.com. Make sure to visit only official websites, always double check everything before you start. And if you scroll down, you can see and download different options, so you can download for iOS, for Android, either APK for Android, but today I will show you how to download it on Chrome. So first I'm add the Chrome and add extension. Now that we'll add the Trust Wallet to Google Chrome, and from here we can access it. So once it's added, it will add this icon here, and you can also access it by clicking on your extension, which is puzzle icon. And you can see the Trust Wallet there. Now alternatively, it will open the new window and you can import wallet or create a new one. Add a password. Then confirm the password. And click continue. Once you've done that, you've created a new wallet. Now we can click open wallet. Made it full screen. And there we go. Now we are ready to use the Trust Wallet. And if you wanted to get your Bitcoin address, you would click on the Bitcoin. Here you can click receive. And you can proceed anyway and get your Bitcoin recipient address, which is this one. Now before you do this, I recommend backup your secret phrase, because just in case that you lose access to your computer or your Chrome browser crashes, you go to settings, press manage wallets. With your backup seed phrase, you can access to your wallet on another computer. It's going to be the 12 words, just write them down on a piece of paper and make sure to keep those safe, because that's going to keep your money safe and just in the case of crash or losing your computer. And that's how we simply add the new wallet Bitcoin. And if you want to top up your wallet address, you can press this button fund. And as you can see, there are different type of options, so you can choose anything you prefer and top up your wallet. And also you can add different cryptocurrencies to your wallet, so you need to scroll down and press the manage crypto. And here you can see the list of different cryptocurrency and you can add anything in this field. For example, I want to add USDT, so I'm gonna click here. And now it's also appeared in my list. And this is all simple steps what I wanted to show you today. Thank you for watching.